Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service, and the IRS has kind of made this big announcement really in the last month or so, but they're blowing the horn louder. If you owe ERC money, IRS is trying to claw this back. But some of the good news is you may be able to settle your tax debt, with this ERC sue their offer and compromise. Now, before you get jumping up and down, I wrote a book about IRS settlements. I'm not really promoting the book, just want to tell you I wrote a book. So I know what it takes to settle your tax debt. So before you go running out and hiring someone and paying thousands and thousands of dollars to settle their debt, your debt, I just want you to know everything is predicated. That's a big word. I'm not used to predicated, but it is a big word, that you can settle your tax debt only if you're eligible. Not everybody is eligible for this program. I taught the offer and compromise program, and with that said, that you must offer at least the value of everything you have. So if your ERC debt is, say, $100,000 and you owe and you have $100,000 worth of assets, IRS is not going to accept that offer. They will only, the base they will take is what you have and all your assets. So I want you to know the program is very specific. However, there's a couple other programs you're eligible for. You may be able to be put in hardship. You may be able to be put in a payment agreement. Well, who knows? Maybe you can settle your debt because there's something I don't know about in your financial statement. So anyway, I was one of those people for IRS that would collect that debt. So I'm really familiar. Everything. I know everything is what IRS is going to do to your case. So if you need me, you may want to give me a call. If not, be prepared to give IRS a financial statement. They usually take a 433A and a 433B. If this case has come down to the revenue officer, they're going to want documentation, bank statement, copies of bills, and all that stuff. So I just want to tell you, IRS does an extensive financial statement, and then they make a determination what category they put you in. Like I said, offer, payment agreement, or maybe put you in currently non-collectible. So if you have a large debt and you need representation, give me a call. Give me a subscription if you would. I'll at least tell you the truth so you know what you got to do with your problem. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Appreciate the subscription. Thank you.